Does what you sleep on affect the quality of your sleep? Absolutely. And there are so many important benefits to getting a good night's sleep. But buying a new mattress is not always a viable option. Fortunately, there are mattress toppers. I'm at the Beloit Mattress Company today, and joining me is the owner and master of mattresses, Ryan Poppie. Thanks for having me here today, Ryan.
Yes, you're welcome.
So I think people might get a little confused because we know of mattress toppers, mattress pads, mattress protectors. What's the difference here, and what's the mattress topper?
Okay, so a mattress topper is really designed to do one thing, and that's add some comfort to the mattress. Protectors do just that, protect the mattress. And mattress pads were sort of something that did a little of both, and quite frankly never did either one of them quite well. So we usually recommend mattress pads not really be used. Use a topper if you need one, and certainly use a protector in just about any situation.
Would you say that it extends the life of a mattress as well?
It can. So a lot of times people use mattress toppers for an application. Say maybe you have a guest room that isn't terrible but just isn't quite as comfortable as you want. It's a great fit for that. Maybe a kid's room. A lot of times for master bedrooms, people like to just go to a new mattress to make sure they're getting the healthiest support. Sometimes your budget just doesn't allow for that. Your body's telling you need something. You can't afford a whole new mattress right now. Maybe we throw a topper on it to get by for a couple of years and fix the problem.
Okay, so let's talk about the benefits a little more. You mentioned comfort, and that could be in a variety of ways. I suppose it could be physical comfort for aches and pains, or maybe temperature. What are the benefits?
Yeah, all of those things really. The other thing that you can do with a topper is sometimes fix a mattress that's not fixable in another way. Like for example, we make a lot of these for like RVs that have a jackknife fold-out couch. Well, you can't replace that couch. That's got to be what it is on the outside, but it doesn't give you the comfort a regular mattress would give. So you put a topper on top of that, and it adds a lot of comfort to it. Sometimes you have an RV that has a dining table that folds flat into a bed. Now you got all the seams and the cushions. We'll put a topper on top of that, and that fixes all those problems.
You're making me think. Now, this is a mattress company. They make it right here. So when you say RV, that makes me think of a special size.
Correct.
And that's the benefit of coming here is it's not only your king, queen, but it's...
We make these toppers in every size and shape that you can imagine. Cutouts to go around notches in RVs, boats that are V-shaped to fit the bow of a boat. We ship our toppers all over the country, and have literally done thousands of them for RVs and boats and that type of thing.
All right, well, let's help our viewers decide on how to choose one. What are we looking for?
So the toppers that we do a little bit different than a lot of companies just sell you a piece of foam. It's all it is a hunk of foam. You lay it on top of your mattress, and it's supposed to make it feel better. But a mattress is never just a piece of foam. It's usually layers of material. So like what we do here is we're taking and making our topper basically the same way we would make the top of a mattress, with foam and fiber and fabric, and we quilt that all together. We finish it off, we serge it down, and then we end up with a complete product like this. There's elastic straps that will help hold that onto your mattress when you get it there, and you got a nice product that's easily stored. Like we talked about RVs, one of the things with an RV, you need to store it easily. These things can be rolled up and stuffed in just about any little corner or cabinet that you might happen to have. A lot easier than what you would do with a typical foam topper. And this also gives you the breathability and temperature control that you won't get from just laying on foam. Foam is just not that comfortable. This will feel just like the top of a regular mattress.
I think I've heard that the foam can actually be kind of hot.
Right, exactly. Yep, and depending on, like we have our basic topper, but then we also make our premium topper where we use products that help keep you cooler, like gel foam. There's wool fiber in it. The fabric on top is made of bamboo, so it gives you all those nice cooling properties.
So it sounds like a conversation is needed to talk about where it's going to be, who's going to be using it, and what kind of comfort or adjustments you're looking for on the original
Correct,
mattress.
yeah. So, you know, what a topper can't do is, like if you have big dips and sags in your mattress and you're trying to fix that, is the topper going to fix that? Not really. It's just going to flow with those, and you're going to have the same problem. But if your mattress is relatively flat yet, but the cushion has just kind of gone away from it, and you feel like you're kind of sinking right down and you're feeling on like the hard spring or something like that, a topper will fix that. It will give you a lot of extra comfort. comfort. And again, it also works really well for situations like the custom type things, whether it be hide beds, whether it be antique beds, stuff where it's expensive and difficult to replace the entire mattress, but you can add some comfort by doing a custom topper on top of it. And custom toppers are fairly affordable. In fact, we have on our website a custom quote page, so you can just go to that, give us the dimensions you're looking for, and we'll email you back a price of what it is for the topper to a custom size.
You were reading my mind. We're going to wrap up here in just about 30 seconds, but I was going to ask about expense. We know mattresses are expensive. Can you just give us a kind of a range? I know it's going to vary.
So these toppers start at under $100. When you get the premium topper in a king size, it'll go just a little over $200. And custom sizes, of course, are anywhere in between, just depending on what size and shape you happen to need. But we can, like I said, there's really not a size or a shape that we can't do. Anything, we do stuff for round stuff. We do triangles, we do rectangles, we do odd shapes with cutouts.
Like I said, the master right here. Yeah. Ryan, thank you so much. I'm here at the Beloit Mattress Company, and you're watching TVW, your home for local.